We're out here doing test shells, Skid Row 6-inch by Warrior.
What is it?
Double break, pretty nice. Next up, Tactical Penguin by Great Grizzly 6-inch. Go! I got the hookup fireworks, Puyallup, Washington. Nice. Yeah, that was nice. El Mariachi by Warrior. Buffalo Bomb 6-inch 6K HD. 24 shots by Venom. Big boom. Demigod shells 24 shot 6-inch. Don't forget, people, we sell this stuff at I Got the Hookup Fireworks in Puyallup, Washington. Wild Bull 6-inch 24 shot, sorry. All this stuff has nice new packaging. Nice. I Got the Hookup Fireworks, River Road, Puyallup, Washington. Check it out. We're open all day long, rain or shine.